बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Happy birthday to me.
Bobbies, today is Shefali's 25th birthday. Everybody go wish happy birthday in the comments. If we don't get 200 comments today, no, I'll stop uploading only. Everybody go wish happy birthday, Shefali. Bobbies, today is going to be her birthday vlog and she is wearing the birthday dress that I gifted her.
Yes.
You guys remember, na? We bought it on the vlog. I sang happy birthday to you in Hindi.
Yeah, I was confused as to what you're singing, and then I realized it's a happy birthday song.
Yes, it's a happy birthday song. It was sung by Mohammed Rafi.
Oh,
Yeah, one of the all-time legends of Indian musical industry.
I've heard it on Instagram.
You heard it on Instagram, now you heard your boyfriend sing it for you. Alright, Bobbies, let's go celebrate her birthday. The birthday girl and I are at Araku Coffee and we've gotten a turmeric spiced latte. This is the best thing on their winter menu. Now, before I say anything further, you guys need to see Shefali's birthday gift. Show us your gift. She got a new Swiss watch, Bobbies. It's a Tissot automatic. They call it the Tissot Bellissima. How much did you pay for it?
My dad has been a really nice man and gifted me this, and it was like around 95k.
95k for a watch.
I love my dad.
Her dad has spoiled her, guys. He spoiled Shefali with the most expensive luxuries.
When are you gonna spoil me?
Today, I'm gonna spoil you today with love.
No need.
Love is priceless. Show us your watch, no? Guys, it's a beautiful timepiece. Oh, you haven't set the time yet?
No, I don't know how.
My god. Guys, just look at that, bro. Holy fuck, that's so pretty. Remove it and give. I'll set the time for you. First, let's put the date. Shefali's birth date. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28th December, Bobbies. That is Shefali's birth date. I'm jealous of you. Your watch looks better than mine. Before we leave for lunch, we decided why not try the matcha at Araku. This is a honey oat milk matcha. How is it?
It's really nice, but I'm not really tasting the matcha.
Yeah, I'm not tasting matcha at all. Bobbies, I'm taking the birthday girl to her favorite 5-star restaurant for lunch. We're going to
Rimnam.
Rimnam, Bobbies, but I forgot to take a reservation. As always.
My birthday, no problem, no reservation.
The Oberoi Bangalore is like an oasis in the middle of the city. It is so pretty.
Just like me?
Just like you.
Over and over again.
Your mic is off. They can't even hear you.
Okay.
Turn on your mic. Guys, look at how pretty this place is, man. And by the way, Sundays here are a vibe. There's live music. There are a lot of people. There's a all-you-can-eat buffet as well. Not in Rimnam. You'll have to go to the buffet restaurant. But yeah, it is a very pretty place. The birthday girl and I are at Rimnam in the Oberoi. It's one of the prettiest looking restaurants that I've ever seen. The best outdoor seating restaurant in Bangalore. You know, we got really lucky that we could walk in and get a spot. Usually they don't appreciate walk-ins. They are like, please take a reservation before coming. But then again, it's her birthday. Luck is in her favor. But don't worry, I have made a dinner reservation for you.
Oh.
Yeah. Lunch I forgot, but dinner I made.
Interesting.
Actually, I was not expecting to meet her for lunch. But then you reminded me, ki brother, you bought me a dress which is a lunch dress. So you better take me out for lunch. Starting the meal with some proteins. This is a chicken skewer or chicken satay as they call it in Thai. By the way, Thai cuisine is very heavy on peanuts. So if you don't like peanut flavor, don't eat Thai cuisine. Oh, I forgot to mention. Today while we were at Araku, we met 2 subscribers. 2 very young subscribers. They were 17 years old. They go to Allen, preparing for IIT. Shefali and I were surprised that 17-year-olds are going to Araku.
Yeah.
When we were 17, we couldn't afford Araku. Is there any such thing as too much peanut? I thought I put extra peanut on my chicken, bro. Oh, wow. Please try this. Please.
There's too much peanut in this.
Please try it, no? This girl is so skeptical. She's been with me for so long and yet she doesn't trust my judgment.
Trust issues, guys. Trust issues.
You have trust issues?
Yes.
Who gave you trust issues?
You.
How?
By.
She's making things up. She's making things up. Here comes our second appetizer, the Thai omelette with chicken. Bobbies, this is the most expensive and also the best tasting omelette that we've ever had. Chef,
I actually came here for this.
right?
Yeah.
Do you remember the cost of this omelette?
Yes.
How much is it?
1,700.
She's right, Bobby's. It's 1,700 rupees, but it tastes banging good. Doesn't justify the price tag, but it still tastes banging good. Here you go, madam.
Yummy.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Too good, no?
Too good.
I don't know how they do it, bro, but this omelette is phenomenal. Chef, if you could make this omelette for me, I would eat it every single day for the rest of my life.
That's why I won't make it for you. You'll get fat. That's like 800 calories by itself.
So this is our table where we are seated, and this is the pond right next to it. Can you guys see some fish? What fish is that, chef?
I don't know, but it's damn cute. Even this one's cute.
Oh, there's a fish here also. There's one big fish here though. Huh?
Prettiest fish in the world. Yummiest.
Yummiest? What? Bobbies, we are now doing a photo shoot for Shefali. Birthday girl, birthday pictures. Shefali's friend Yogata is here and she got her some gifts.
Yes.
What is this?
It's a sweater top.
It's a winter wear.
Yes.
Winter wear. It looks good.
Damn cute. We'll wear it to work tomorrow.
Yogata and Shefali have been friends for how many years now?
I think
10 plus.
10 plus.
10 plus years?
2016.
Yeah, 2016.
Damn.
2015. Nice baby.
2015.
In that case, Yogata, tell us how much has Shefali changed over the years?
It's not the same.
Same?
Nothing have changed.
Nothing has changed.
You've gone prettier.
You've gotten prettier.
Yeah.
That's my effect on her, you know. It's me rubbing off. And what else? You've gotten some smooth desserts, huh?
Yeah, let's eat it.
Macaroons, bobbies. Take it out.
We'll eat everything now only.
Yogita, you know I call my audience bobbies.
Why?
You were not aware of that?
No.
Bangalore.
So you don't watch me. Huh? You need to start watching OK Mohit vlogs. At least for your friend Shefali, you need to start.
I'll watch.
Bro, she's been very mean to me today, huh? I mean, she paid for the lunch, by the way.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Even Yogita is surprised. Bobbies, she paid 6K for the lunch today. Yeah. Look at Yogita. She's not able to believe that Shefali paid.
People will think I'm chindi.
Chindi, that's the word, guys.
Not.
So that was Shefali's friend Yogita.
Best friend.
Best friend. Sorry. Shefali's best friend Yogita. She has lightened up her mood like I could never. Huh? Best friends are for that, bro. So now we are going to go change our clothes and start prepping for dinner. That's right. Birthday dinner with chef. Bobbies. हम लोगों ने कपड़े बदल लिए हैं and this is our dinner outfit. Look at Shefali. Birthday girl dressed in a mini skirt.
Cute as always.
Cute as always, yes, but was a mini skirt necessary in this cold?
Yes, it's my birthday. Everything is necessary on my birthday.
But it's so cold.
So, you wear a sweater?
Bobbies, this is what we're looking like. We're twinning, sort of. She's wearing navy, I'm wearing black. And let's go for the birthday dinner. We're going to a new place. We've never been to this place. It's called Komal. अब लग रही है इसको ठंड.
I'm shivering. Can you see that?
Bro, things girls do on their birthdays, huh? This is what the place looks like. Very small, huh? I think they can seat, what, 35 people at max? Very small place. We're actually a little late for our reservation. Turns out that these guys do reservations in slots only. So 7 to 9 p.m. एक batch आता है and 9 to 11 p.m. एक और batch. हम आए हैं 8 बजे. So we have about 45-50 minutes to eat and clear out. So we've ordered a couple of dishes because we've been eating non-stop since morning, right? We started our day at 11-12 and it's 8 p.m. now and of course you know us. हम लोग अगर मिलते हैं तो we just keep eating. So this Komal is a Mexican inspired cuisine. So we've gone with guacamole and chips, some birria and a burrito bowl.
How does it feel to be on my birthday with me?
With you on your birthday, I've spent every birthday with you for the last 3 years.
One birthday I spent in Goa with you. Do you remember?
Yes, we vlogged that.
Yeah, we vlogged it. Go watch it, guys, if you all are new.
Bobbies, this is our appetizer, some chips and guac. These are banana chips and this is a tortilla chip. Go ahead, chef.
You know what this is? It's actually a taco.
It's a taco shell, yeah. It's a taco shell. It's a hard taco shell.
You know, banana chips is one of my favorite things.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you Mallu?
Am I?
Bobbies, guess who else was at Komal?
Guys, he can't go out without going out with me. You know, wherever he goes, I have to be there.
Kavin's at Komal, and guess who Kavin is with? Not Nishok. He's with his girlfriend Mehak. How's it going?
A bit better Nishok was here, but bro, this place is still crazy. Better come at 7 o'clock. Otherwise, they'll kick you out in 2 hours.
Yeah, I told them that I'm already late for my slot. Our second appetizer is here. This is the birya, the lamb birya, which is basically a lamb neck ka stew. They serve it with some noodles inside. So let's see what it is like. Kavin mentioned that we should try some jackfruit item. So we're gonna send the chips. We're not enjoying that. We'll try the jackfruit thingy.
You know, the worst thing in the world or the biggest waste of calories is eating something fried that you don't enjoy.
Anna,
Yeah. Like, at least if you enjoy it, eat a packet of Lay's, you'll enjoy it.
chalo, let's see this. The best birya that we've had was at Toast and Tonic. Unfortunately, that place shut down. It used to be one of our favorite date night spots.
Yeah.
Bobbies, we met another subscriber today.
Hi,
Introduce yourself.
my name's Ashni. I'm here with my friend. Come to Como, check it out. Really good Mexican food.
भाई हम लोगों ने अपना डिनर खत्म करके बिल क्या मंगवा दिया इन लोगों ने फ्री में डिजर्ट भी दे दिया आई थिंक दे रियलाइज्ड हु इज इन द हाउस शेफाली नागेंद्र इज इन द हाउस
My birthday in the house.
right so they gave us a free dessert which is chocolate churros birthday girl first bite for you how is it good huh oh they smell amazing
They're good.
oh wow churros are amazing sure thank you they got me ice cream also free on the house yeah so this is vanilla ice cream with some custard honestly this combination is so elite that I'd come back here just for this
Definitely a dessert place.
100% bro the ice cream is phenomenal
Unfortunately, I lost the audio from this clip, but basically, what I'm saying here is that I'm taking Kavin and Mehak to Lupa. We want them to try the duck tacos, the lamb shoulder, and the tiramisu.
Bobbies, here we are at Lupa. We've gotten the harissa chicken and duck tacos. Kavin's first time in Lupa, so is Mehak's. How's the chicken? She says it's really nice. Bobby, you try.
One moment.
Nice? How is it, chef?
Nice as always.
Nice as always. Can't go wrong with Lupa Bobbies. Duck taco, let's go. Is it good? Okay. It's good, huh? Bobbies, we've now ordered my favorite dish at Lupa, the lamb shoulder.
Now for the lamb itself, it's a Bannur lamb shoulder. We cook it for about 6 hours. So what we're expecting is...
Oh, dude. Bro, I'm suddenly hungry again, bro.
Right?
It looks so good. Oh my god.
We'll just sort of crispen it up on top. A little bit of some crispy edges. And that's like your second layer of smoke.
This particular sauce, only with the bread. Don't mix it with the meat. This is the harissa sauce, which is slightly spicy. Can mix with the meat also. Bobbies, the tiramisu that Shefali and I absolutely love. Are you guys fans of tiramisu or not? She is. Are you? Alright, let's go. You like it, Mac?
Amazing.
Amazing, you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Chef, how is it?
It's good.
It's good? It's just as good.